Bonage.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yes.
I'm just going to give this a light trial down up here.
Sounds good to me. Oh, we've got another feature edge down here,
Oh
dude.
yeah. Swing.
Swing. Yeah.
And more.
And more.
Is that flakage right here?
Looks like it, doesn't it?
What do you mean and more?
Well, it looks like we have a little feature down here.
A little feature?
Oh, yeah. Okay, a big feature.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Oh man, you can just tell there's a difference.
You feel it, huh?
Oh yeah.
Is that a feature or the stockade?
Both. Two different things. Carl's on the stockade and Kurt's got another feature that we had no idea of.
Excellent.
They would have shredded in bigger pieces, or small ones to do some resharpening tools.
None except that there was one mention of sticking a lookout sign. We're excavating a test unit here at Arbuckle's Fort to expose and understand a feature that we uncovered in an exploratory trench. We were hoping in this unit to delineate edges of the feature, which we have right here as well as right here. So we've got two edges of it. It's a dark soil in the feature. There's also some evidence of burning. We're hoping there's some artifacts in there as well. And then the northern end of the feature has more light soil, what we call mottling, spotting, and we're not sure if that's really still the feature, it's just more of a mixed fill, or if that's kind of a transitional edge to it. So we'll have to excavate into the feature to determine that, but we think the feature, given its fairly regular shape, is probably a little root cellar, something like that was backfilled with soil and perhaps some refuse as well.